Hey guys, here we are. You look in the background here. It's looking kind of crazy. There's a chance of rain this morning. But if I look this other way, we've got some clearing too. There's a guy out here in the float tube fly fishing, which I think is awesome. I did stop by the Shell station. Lucky what we got. They got leeches. I've been reading on social media that there's a shortage on leeches, but we didn't have a problem. They had plenty. But it's not even 6 o'clock yet, so might not have sold out. So we're going to come on down, get set up, throw out a line. Let's do it. Come here, buddy. Get some shoulders on him. Top of the mouth here. Oh, oops. Top of the mouth. Should come right out. There we go. Nice little smallie. How about that? Let him go. Yep.
Well guys, we had a little bit of an audio problem while we were filming. I think my microphone got disconnected. So we have a number of clips without any audio. So enjoy this fantastic background music while I'm reeling in fish. Don't you worry, it does come back.
This dude out here in the belly boat, I've got mad respect for him. He's out here fly fishing, probably using a woolly bugger or mini leech. I saw him catch a couple, but the wind's kicked up more. It's a little wavy, a few clouds rolled in, and he's still going hard at it. Mad respect, dude. Water's disappearing. There we go. We got him. See what we got here. That's good head shakes. Another nice smallie. Okay, come here, buddy. Let's get you out of here. Oh. There we go, right in the corner of the cheek. Not a bad looking fish. Not at all. I'll let him go. See you later, buddy. Come here, buddy. We're just gonna let you go. Come here, buddy. I think that's the smallest one of the day, and it's still a respectable fish. Just in the cheek. How's that? See you later, buddy. Here we go, guys. We got our last fish of the day. Ooh, that's a nice smallie right there. Nice smallie. Whoa, nice. Nice. Another nice fish. Nice way to end the day. How's that? Another nice smallie. Ooh, barely got him hooked too. Barely had him hooked. What a great way to end the day, guys. Let him go here. Okay. Whew, that was fun. Now, I've seen people say they haven't been able to get a hold of leeches. Lately, we had no problem at our shell station on McCullough, right off of I-50. Touching my bobber here. I used both leeches and night crawlers. I think we got more strikes on night crawlers, but we caught fish on both. Either way, you're going to be fine. A lot of times this time of year, I'll even quit using leeches because night crawlers will work just fine. But we're going to head out of here. I want to thank you for joining us. Give us a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. We'd really appreciate it. We'll see you next time.